Hey guys, it's Nate with Zbroz Racing. We're going to do a little shop talk here and talk about some of the technical aspects of our spring kit and our stage 3. The product that we're going to focus on that I have here on the table is our 2-piece crossover nut for the Walker Evans needle shocks. The shock I have here is a Walker Evans 2.5-inch needle shock, so this is off of the majority of the RZR XP1000s. What this product allows you to do is to put a crossover nut inside of your tender spring without having to take the whole shock apart. So it's 2-piece, it comes with the little screws to tie it together, but the advantage to this design is it allows you to put the crossover nut on without taking the whole shock apart. So this product is included in our dual rake spring kits, as well as our stage 3 kit, which is where you get the spring kit and all the internal valving, so our piston, our seals, and our oil, so that you can fully rebuild the shock. But if you're just looking to do the spring kit or add a crossover nut to a Walker Evans needle shock, check this product out. It's the 2-piece crossover nut from Zbroz Racing.